If somebody does have art jewelry, firearms, you can certainly write, it's called a personal articles policy. You can write a jewelry policy. You can write the personal articles policy. If you can include everything into the homeowners, that's fantastic. Traditionally, that's going to save them more money than having separate policies. On the other hand, I have heard from policyholders, no, 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 no. I want grandma's wedding ring insured on a personal articles policy or a jewelry policy because if something happens, I don't want it on my homeowners. I get that. You don't want a homeowner's claim. No one does. But one thing I do like to communicate, any claim is a claim. So whether that be home, auto, or a personal articles policy, any claim is a claim and can and does impact the rates on other insurance policies. So if someone says to you, I would like that to be separate, don't argue with them. They have their reasons, but maybe educate them that any claim is a claim. Okay.